Hi, today I will present my college project and I will do Texas A&M University. I'm planning to major in aerospace engineering, and I see on the picture on your right is the degree plan for first year, and I'll take classes such as chemistry, general chemistry for engineering student laboratory, introduction to rhetoric composition, engineering lab, engineering mathematics, and another university core curriculum. Is basically you have to take another history classes or social study, science, and math. Um, and the total credits hour is 16. And in spring, I have to take experimental physics for engineering lab number 2, mechanics, engineering mathematics 2, Newtonian mechanics for engineering and science, and university core curriculum class. And also I have to do one of the following classes for the degree plan is fundamental chemistry number 2. And the total semester credit hour for the spring is 15 to 16. And this is the second year degree plan for aerospace engineering. And in the fall, I'll take Introduction to Flight, Aerospace Engineering Mechanics, Introduction to Aerothermodynamics, Engineering Mathematics number 3, Electricity and Magnetism for Engineering and Science, Experimental Physics and Engineering Lab number 3, Electricity and Magnetism. And the total semester credit hours is 17. And in the spring, I'll take Introduction to Aerospace Mechanic of Materials, Introduction to Aerospace Computation, Theoretical Aerodynamics, Differential Equations. And I also have to do one of the communication classes, and it's such as public speaking, communication for technical profession, argumentation and debate, technical and professional writing, and also a high impact experience classes, mid curriculum professional development. And as you can see in the second year, we start focusing more into the major because for engineering at A&M, the first year not really doing anything much because you have to get through all the basics, and it's also important to maintain a high GPA. So for you to pick the major you want to get into because it's highly competitive. For the third year degree plan for aerospace engineering, in the fall you take high-speed aerodynamics, aerospace structural analysis, aerospace dynamics, principle of electrical engineering, and you had to do 2 university core curriculum classes, and the total semester credit hours is 18. In the spring, you had to take Aerospace Structural Analysis number 2, Aerospace Engineering Laboratory, Dynamics of Aerospace Vehicles, Aerospace Thermodynamics and Propulsion, and 1 University core curriculum classes, and the total semester credit hours is 15. And for the fourth year degree plan for aerospace engineering, this is when you start getting into more technical advanced classes that focus on aerospace engineering. And in the fall, you take aerospace vehicle design, aerospace material science, orbital mechanics, and you have to pick one of the classes that's also related to aerospace engineering. It's called numerical simulation, advanced engineering mathematics, their theory of partial differential equations, and also one of the technical advanced classes such as aerospace structural design, aerospace propulsion, space system design, airflow, and wind design. And the total semester credits hours required is 15. In the spring, um, this is when you don't focus on anything else, but solely focus on uh, just taking all the technical advanced classes engineering that's interest for you, uh, such as aerospace vehicle design, active controls for aerospace vehicles, heat transfer, and viscous, viscous flows. And I usually here's the list of all the classes that you can pick, and you have to pick 2 of them out of all this list. And such as I can tell you, is aero electricity, flight test engineering, space system design, mm, vehicle management system, helicopter aerodynamics, and you also have to take 1 university core curriculum class, and the total semester credits hour for the spring is 17, and the total program hours for compile up for full 4 years is 128. Um, Here's the list of the organization and clubs I'm planning to join, and it's called American Institute of Aeronautics and Astronautics, Robotics Club, SEAL Platoon, International Student Association, Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu Club, and Texas A&M Shotokan Karate Club. So day in life of the A&M student. So when I become a student at A&M, I'll fill with a lot of classes in my schedule because of my engineering major, and on top of that, in the morning I had to wake up early at 5 a.m. for my physical trainings because I'm planning to join the Corps Cadets at Texas A&M, basically like ROTC. And then after the training, I'll get my breakfast and ready for my morning classes. And after I'm done with my classes in the noon, I will work on my assignment for a few hours before I go to do my club activities in the afternoon. And then I go back to my dorm to also work on my assignments. And it is also important for me that I had to keep uh, to have a good time management skills and have a schedule for everything, so I can keep my grades up and not getting distracted. Here are the citations that I got all my informations from, and thank you.